Chiwenga has reportedly never been comfortable with the aggressive influence in government affairs. His camp within ZANU-PF views the citizen is mainly as a symbol of shadow parallel state operating around President Mnangagwa. The vice president is also said to be wary of Zvigananda, loosely referring to elites or political fixers aligned to Mnangagwa like Tagurei, who wield influence without holding formal office. Sabina mashoko arikubuda panguva ino arikubuda panguva ino achionekwa kunzi there was a political game behind the flyer razodisodiwa navipi koza nochiwenga nobo subscribe or like on the bell icon tibira unamobuda nyumba mchenzi. Sources within the party say Chiwenga's recent public statements and subtle moves indicate he is laying the groundwork for a possible leadership bid at the next ZANU-PF elective congress. Distancing himself from Tagurei, especially in a region as politically sensitive as Matabeleland, may also be strategic positioning move. Analysts believe the poster could have been designed to falsely project unity between rival factions or to give legitimacy to a business gathering that lacked a high-level endorsement. The event hosts Afia Musavengana and Keresia Dangwaiba appear to be no known formal affiliation with the government or ZANU-PF police organs, raising suspicions about the true intent of the so-called dinner. This was likely a bout and switch operation where the names of faces of powerful politicians were used to attract corporate interest and registration fees, said a political analyst who spoke on condition of anonymity. Chiwenga's response makes it clear he won't tolerate being exploited by political opportunists or business cronies. Domashko anobuda panguva ino panoonekwa kunzi aiwa even forces VP nema allies ake panguva ino anotoona kuti aiwa the location kungakweswa the event aiwa kunzvimbo yakaita seMatabeleland kuBulawayo kunozikanwa kunzi kune maatax mazhinji akaitika kuBulawayo. Panguva ino kunyazi kuonekwa kunzi that location was not safe for him. Pinda comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu mati kudii pamusoro pezviitiko izvi. Musana subscribe or like, chetomba bell icon.